Hello everyone, very good day to all of you. You all are watching Insights, and today I'm going to explain you how to solve simple equations. Now, an equation is an expression that is expressed using the equal sign. It has two sides. Both the sides should be equal. Now consider this expression. 10 equals to 10. That means 10 units on our left hand side should equal to 10 units on our right hand side. Suppose you have 10 apples and you are represented by the left hand side. Also, suppose your brother has 10 apples and he is represented by the right hand side. So the number of apples you have should equal to number of apples your brother has. Now let's make a small change. 10 plus variable x equals to 12. On the left hand side, we can see 10 and x. So we can clearly see 10 plus 2 should equal to 12. Therefore, the value of x is 2. Now these kind of expressions are known as simple equations or linear equations. The generic form of a linear equation can be expressed using ax plus b equals to 0. Here, b is a constant, x is a variable, and a is the coefficient of x. A is multiplied by x. Now let's consider a small example. 5x plus 10 equals to 25. Now in this example, unknown value is x, b is 10, a is 5. How are we going to solve this equation? We can solve simple equations by separating the unknown variable. In this case, it is x. In order to separate variable x, we need to get rid of the constant. We can do that by deducting 10 from plus 10. Therefore, 25 minus 10. We get 5x plus 10 and minus 10 will get cancelled off. 25 minus 10 is 15. Now in this case, 5 multiplied by x is equal to 15. Therefore, in order to separate x, the unknown variable, we have to divide this expression by 5. If we divide this expression by 5, we divide 15 by 5, we get 3. Now let's consider another example. Now look at this example. 2 into open bracket x minus 3 equals to 4. X minus 3 has been multiplied by 2. Therefore, we'll expand this equation as 2x minus 6 equals to 4. Now we can solve this equation by adding plus 6. We add plus 6 because we need to get rid of minus 6. 4 plus 6. Therefore, 2x equals to 10. Then we divide this by 2. Therefore, we get x equals to 5. Let's look at another example. Now look at this example. A minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1 equals to 4. In this kind of situations, we need to first eliminate plus 1. In order to eliminate plus 1, we add minus 1 to both the sides of the equation. Therefore, we are left with a minus 3 divided by 2 equals to 3 over 1. Now in this instance, we can apply the cross multiplication. A minus 3 multiplied by 1 should equal to 3 multiplied by 2. Therefore, we get a minus 3 equals to 6. A minus 3 is eliminated by adding plus 3. Similarly, 6 plus 3. Therefore, we get the value of a as. Let's consider another example. Now you can see in this example we have two fractions, but the two fractions have different denominators. So we need to find a common denominator for this equation. Now let's find the LCM of 3 and 4, which can be regarded as the common denominator for 3 and 4. In order to find the LCM, we have to divide 3 and 4 by prime factors. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 4 doesn't divide by 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 1 will stay as it is. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Therefore, we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is 12. Now we have our common denominator. Now 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 into x is 4x plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 into x is 3x equals to 7 over 1. Now we can apply the cross multiplication. 4x plus 3x into 1 should equal to 12 into 7. Therefore, we get 7x equals to 12 into 7. Therefore, x equals to 12 into 7 divided by 7. Therefore, value of x is 12. Now let us consider another example. Okay, here we have another example. Now consider this example. 3 over 5x plus 1 over x equals to 2. Here we have unknown variables as the denominators of the fractions. But however, if you observe clearly, you can see that 5x is the common denominator, because 5x can be divided by 5x and it can also be divided by x. 5x divided by 5x is 1. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 5x divided by x is 5. 5 into 1 is 5. This should equal to 2 over 1. We can clearly add 3 and 5. Therefore, we get 8 over 5x equals to 2 over 1. 5x multiplied by 2 should equal to 8 multiplied by 1 if we apply the cross multiplication. Therefore, 10x should equal to 8 and x should equal to 8 over 10 and x should be 4 over 5. Now let's substitute x equals 4 over 5 into our equation and verify our answer. Okay, let's substitute 4 over 5 into our equation. 3 over 5 multiplied by 4 over 5 plus 1 over 4 over 5 should equal to 2. Now we can simply cancel off 5 and 5 because 5 multiplied by 4 over 5 is 4. Therefore, we are left with 3 over 4 plus 1 divided by 4 over 5 is equal to 1 multiplied by 5 over 4. Therefore, we know for the second fraction we can clearly write 5 over 4. We have a common denominator. We can write it as it is. 3 plus 5 is 8. Therefore, we get 2. Because 8 divided by 4 is 2. Our answer is correct. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do add your comment in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching. Have a great day.